Toyota Motor Manufacturing Canada is proud to be starting the production of the all-new Lexus NX and Lexus NX Hybrid. In 2003, TMMC became Toyota's first facility entrusted to produce Lexus vehicles outside of Japan, a tremendous honor within the Toyota family. And we have since built more than 1.3 million Lexus RX and Lexus RX Hybrid vehicles. Now, we'll be the first plant outside Japan to be producing two different Lexus models, adding the Lexus NX, another amazing product, to one of the fastest growing segments in the North American market. Being trusted to build the NX and the NX hybrid luxury vehicles reflects the trust that Toyota Motor Corporation has in our world-class Canadian team members, our commitment to quality, and our customer focus. Like Lexus, TMMC's culture is extremely focused on quality. In fact, this commitment to quality has made us one of the very best automotive manufacturing companies in the world. Through the hard work and dedication to quality of our team members, TMMC has earned a total of 20 J.D. Power awards, more than any other manufacturing plant in the Americas, and second most of any plant globally. We're also extremely proud to be building yet another carbon-reducing electrified vehicle here at TMMC. Not only are we Canada's largest auto manufacturer, we're also Canada's leading maker of electrified vehicles. TMMC has been producing high-tech electrified vehicles, including the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid and the Lexus RX Hybrid, for almost a decade. We've invested over $9 billion in our Canadian production facilities so far, and we're already producing North America's best-selling hybrid SUV and the best-selling luxury hybrid SUV. Now, we're adding the all-new Lexus NX and NX Hybrid, both absolutely loaded with the latest technology, and their production has meant a significant investment to TMMC. You may have also recently heard that several exciting new electrified products will soon be joining our North American lineup. Toyota has always had a well-defined plan for electrification, and we've always said that a battery electric vehicle would be a part of that plan, whenever the time was right in each market. Our recent investments ensure that Toyota's Canadian plants are well positioned to build any vehicle the company asks us to build, including the most advanced electrified models that will be coming to the market over the next few years. Toyota's plants in Canada are recognized for our innovation, and along with our people, we see this as one of our biggest competitive advantages when it comes to attracting future investment. To make sure this remains a competitive advantage, we'll work with our government partners to ensure continued investment. The people at Toyota Motor Manufacturing Canada, all 8,500 of us, are looking forward to the future. We're proud to be crafting the all-new Lexus NX and Lexus NX Hybrid right here in Canada, and we know our Lexus guests will experience that pride every time they drive our vehicles.
What is the most exciting thing for me about this launch and what it means for TMMC? There were so many firsts with this launch. The first plant outside of Japan to build two Lexus vehicles. Our first time building Toyota and Lexus on the same line, and the first time outside Japan. And the chance to transform our Cambridge facility into a Lexus plant, building the most popular Lexus vehicles. This has been an opportunity for TMMC to showcase the things that make us great, our world-class team members, our commitment to quality and customer focus, all the things that contribute to a great Lexus mindset. What I love most about the Lexus brand is the Lexus motto, "We can, we will." The passion and drive which are central to Lexus and which differentiate TMMC. The pursuit of perfection, so similar to the ideals that drive us every day to try harder. How does the Lexus brand and mindset change how we do what we do at TMMC? Our culture is already very good and very quality focused, but we are striving for perfection. We have a common goal, to pursue perfection in everything we do. We have the Lexus mindset, skill set, and process capabilities, and these are central to Lexus and very important for what we do every day. My wish for TMMC team members is that we will earn and receive the recognition that our team members deserve for their ongoing commitment to quality. We want to achieve the global best, and we will truly celebrate this great milestone.
The all-new Lexus NX. And I've got a special greeting here from Justin Trudeau, Prime Minister of Canada. He says, "It is with great pleasure that I congratulate everyone at Toyota Motor Manufacturing Canada on the launch of the Lexus NX. The Government of Canada will always encourage growth and innovation in the automotive sector, and we celebrate every opportunity that creates jobs for Canadian workers. In our rapidly changing world, it is more important than ever to understand the opportunities provided by technology and innovation, two of the key ingredients for entrepreneurial success. Canada is a country of boundless creativity, and I'm certain our dedicated entrepreneurs, workers, and families will carry our economy into the future. Please accept my warmest welcome and best wishes for the launch." Signed, Justin Trudeau.
Hi everyone, bonjour tout le monde. Mon nom est François-Philippe Champagne and I'm Canada's Minister of Innovation, Science and Industry. I want to congratulate Toyota on this really incredible milestone as they launched the production of their Lexus NX and NX Hybrid, the first time outside of Japan, and it is right here in Canada. When we invested more than $100 million into this project back in 2018, we knew this would be an investment into the future. Not just the future of Toyota, but the future of Canada. L'industrie automobile est clé pour notre économie et on sait que la relance économique verte du Canada va passer par le développement durable du secteur de l'automobile. For well over 100 years, Canada's auto sector has been an engine of economic growth, driving innovation and creating good jobs, well-paying jobs across the nation. And jobs for a sustainable future. It's great to see the hybrid model here and to see the ambition from Toyota as you set targets to reduce vehicle emissions by 90% before 2050. And with this milestone, it's clear that story will continue and that Toyota will play a key role in driving growth and innovation in Canada for years to come. So to Toyota and to the thousands of workers who've been pivotal in this important day, I just want to say congratulations, félicitations. I hope to come to see your work very soon so that we can be together and celebrate this great milestone. Thanks for seizing the moment, thanks for being ambitious, and thank you for your work in making Toyota in Canada at the forefront of the economy of the 21st century. Merci.
Hi, it's an absolute pleasure to bring greetings to everyone at Toyota Motor Manufacturing Canada as you celebrate this incredible milestone. Today's launch of the 2022 Lexus NX and the NX Hybrid is another big step for Ontario's auto manufacturing industry, its workers, and the families who rely on your vehicles. As the 10 millionth vehicle rolls off the assembly line later this year, I want to recognize and thank the entire team, both past and present, for making this achievement possible. I know the team takes pride in every single vehicle you build, which is why I'm excited to congratulate you on this milestone and for receiving your 20th J.D. Power Plant Quality Award last year. I look forward to continuing to support our incredible auto manufacturing sector as we continue to position Ontario as a North American hub for building the cars of the future. Thank you and God bless.
Congratulations, Toyota. Thank you for the opportunity to celebrate the launch of the 2022 Lexus NX and NX Hybrid with you today. This is amazing news for Toyota and the hardworking people of Ontario. The Lexus NX Hybrid joins the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid and the Lexus 450h, all three Ontario-made hybrid vehicles. We recently announced phase 2 of our Driving Prosperity Plan. It demonstrates our commitment to transform Ontario's auto supply chain to build the cars of the future right here in Ontario. We've also been working hard to make Ontario an incredible investment destination. We've already made big strides by lowering taxes, reducing electricity costs, and cutting red tape. Our government has reduced the cost of doing business in Ontario by nearly $7 billion a year. This launch underscores Toyota's commitment to hybrid technology and is a clear sign that the steps our government is taking, together with the auto sector, are making a difference. Congratulations once again on this important day for Toyota and for the hardworking people of Cambridge. Thank you all.